There's something really interesting happening on this island, Lara.
I don't know if I call it interesting.
The gate is ancient, but these mechanisms, someone built them quite recently.
What do you make of the symbols?
Sun pictograms, some primitive stick figures, hard to say. This could be a sign of some kind of cult worship. Or it could just as easily be cultural graffiti. I'll continue examining this. You should find a way to repair that axe so we can get this gate open.
This'll work. Just need a bit more. Back off! What I need. Need to find more. Just a bit more. Right, that should do it. Let's see if I can fix this axe. Right, that should do it.
All right, Lara. Shall we give it a go, then?
Let's do this, Doctor.
Whenever you're ready. Get moving. That female figure on the gate. Given the age of the symbols, it could be the Sun Queen.
Himiko? Are you sure you're not channeling Sam, Dr. Whitman?
Well, there's no doubt. Himiko had power. Some say shamanistic, elemental.
A woman wields that much power, and sooner or later it gets called witchcraft.
We shouldn't discount anything, even what may seem to us irrational. We still have much to learn about the world.
You sound like my father.
It could be one hell of a story, Lara.
Not if we don't live to tell it.
Incredible. Oh, it is Himiko.
But look, the bowl, the candles. Why is she still being worshipped?
This island, it must have once been part of Yamatai. You were right, Lara.
The Lost Kingdom.
It's like finding Atlantis.
But this is real, Dr. Whitman. We're not standing on a myth.
No, we're standing on a gold mine.
Come, quickly. Your friends are hurt.
Yes, probably by them.
Get back.
He can't be trusted. You still have a gun.
I don't want any trouble.
No.
We'll come.
No.
But I insist that afterwards you take us to whoever's in charge.
What are you doing?
Be quiet.
No!
I'm handling this.
No!
No! Please!
Get off!
Just go along with them, Lara. Do whatever they say.
Дай меня пистолет. Иди. Пошла.
Who are you people? What do you want with us?
Lara!
If they give you any trouble, kill them.
Don't hurt them,
I
please!
said, silence, girl. А ты ведь хорошенькая, да? Напоминаешь мою сестру.
Let go! Lara, run!
No! No!
Round them up! Round them up! Don't you fucking move! Kill them all!
Don't make a sound.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Anything? Keep looking.
There! Another one!
Oh, God.
Gonna have to kill most of them. Too bad. You see.
Keep an eye out.
All right.
What do you see? Nothing. This one's clear. Keep moving up the mountain. Kill the rest.
Любишь играться в прятки, малышка? Думаешь, удастся спастись? No one escapes. Out! Вылезай! Но трать моего времени! I always find... Она тоже была порядочной стервой.
Oh, God!
You're gonna die in there!
So what came in? Another tanker?
Nah. Research ship.
Should be some good stuff then.
We'll find out soon. We got a crew towing it in now.
Think we'll get any new recruits out of this bunch?
What's going on down there? Everything okay?
What the hell? Hey, I need help! Oh, damn it! Good shot!
Lara, are you there?
Yes!
I can see smoke coming from the old ruins. Are you okay?
Oh god, Roth, I'm in trouble. They're killing people.
What? Who?
Men. I don't know why. I had to kill some of them. I had no choice.
That can't have been easy.
It's scary just how easy it was. You've got to warn the others, Roth.
Don't worry about them right now. You just do whatever it takes to get to me, Lara.
I'll try. Some kind of container. Who left these behind? The thing about nightmares is sooner or later you wake up. But there's no waking up from this place. Which means I'm really here. I'm really doing these things. No, don't think about it, Lara. Not now. It won't help. I don't know what's happened to the rest of the crew. I hope they're okay. They have to be. They have to be. I don't know what the hell is going on here. All that matters is that Roth finds a way to get us home.